My name is Chris Waddington. I'm the Sales Engineering Manager here for NewTek EMEA. We're at the BVE show in London's Excel Exhibition Centre, and here at the show we're showing our entire Tricaster line of products. All of our Tricasters are new since last year's BVE show. We're also showing our 3-play, which is our instant replay and slow motion system. So we're showing the entire line. We've got our entry-level Tricaster 40, offers SD and HD live production systems, being able to mix multiple cameras, being able to mix video and computer inputs as well. Every single Tricaster features chroma key technology, live virtual set systems, and a bunch of media players as well. So it really makes the entire live production experience much easier, much simpler. The fact that we can record video content and the fact that we can stream video content to an audience as well. So we're showing our Tricaster 40, we're showing our Tricaster 455, which is our entry-level professional system, our A55, and then of course what we have here today, which is the latest Tricaster 8000 system. Now the Tricaster 8000 system really takes live video production to a whole new level. It enables content creators and producers to be able to take video content from a wide variety of video sources. You know, the fact that we can mix standard definition and high definition, the fact we can mix composite, YC, component and SDI all in one live video production really makes it much simpler and much easier for systems integrators and engineers to bring all of the various types of video equipment that people want to use into a live production. We also have our network video inputs as well, so we can take content from Windows or Mac computer systems, we can take content from iPads and iPhone devices, and again roll all of that into a live video production with ease of use, and that's really important for us. The fact that everyone can bring content in, it just makes life so much simpler when you want to, again, incorporate all of these new technologies and these new video devices as well. Now, the 8000 is a 24-channel live production system. It's got 8 mix effects, so 8 full MEs. We also have external router control as well, so we can go beyond the 8 video inputs. We support third-party routers, so again, making it easy for customers to be able to take lots of video inputs, lots of video devices and roll all of that into their live production makes it super easy. The 8000 also, as you can see, like I said, we've got the UI over here, we've got fully integrated multi-view control as well. So again, taking another piece of equipment out of the equation, the fact that having to purchase a third-party multi-view and have to configure that and set that up, that's all integrated with the 8000. So again, it's a completely integrated live production system. The 8000, like I said, features 8 MEs. Those MEs have 4 layers of graphics and 4 layers of overlay. So again, being able to take multiple graphics and roll those into their live production, so you don't necessarily have to have a separate graphics op, a separate system, separate CG system, have to worry about key and fill. So again, makes it really easy to roll in still graphics, motion graphics with alpha channel, with transparency. And again, all of this is run from a single integrated system and can also be controlled from the control surface as well. Within the 8000, we also have our ISO coder technology as well. So with our ISO coder technology, we can record up to 8 video channels. So this allows us to record all 8 video feeds coming into the system with embedded timecode. We can also record program in one resolution and then program in multiple resolutions as well. So for example, HD, 720, standard def. We can even record program with and without graphics. So for example, if you want to rebrand the content for later on, for redistribution, again, super simple to be able to do that with the Tricaster 8000. We also, with the 8000, we have our 8 mix effects as well. So those 8 MEs can also take any video content, drop it into a live virtual environment. We have a chroma key system as well. So we can take all of this content and roll this into a single ME, and we have 8 MEs to work from. So for example, this allows us to shoot someone against a very small piece of green background, and then take that person, as we see here with Kiki and Rex, and drop them into a very large virtual environment. So it makes it super easy to take a very small production space and give the illusion or the impression that we're working in a much larger virtual environment as well. So it's all about delivering very high production value at very low cost. That's one of the main aims, or one of the main appeals with the Tricaster line, is that it means that customers don't have to be limited by the technology that they have, but also limited by the budget. The fact that we can also go out to social media websites, so we can deliver content to Facebook, to YouTube, to Twitter. The fact that we can also stream live to a web audience as well is incredibly important, because it takes all of those processes and those technologies that traditionally, broadcasters, the challenge with broadcast is that you might have the producer, you then have, of course, the technology, and then you have the audience. And with it going from the producer to the audience, you have multiple steps of technology, multiple steps of workflow. You have to get broadcast rights and licenses and so on and so forth. if you deliver your content to a different audience, or they're viewing it on a different device, such as web streaming, you then have the producer, one piece of equipment, which is the Tricaster, and then the audience. So you literally now got 3 parts of that chain. Traditionally, there may be 20, 30, 40 parts within that chain from going from production to the audience. So it makes it super easy and super simple to get our content from the producer to the audience really, really quickly. Obviously, with the 8000 itself, it's our flagship system. It's our professional system. We've got, like I said, we've got ISO coder technology. We've got video playout, video recording, live video streaming. Social media integration is incredibly important for us. That's one thing that we really feel is, the Tricaster is really best of class at. The fact that we don't need to have a separate operator, a separate system to be able to deliver content to, again, another type of audience, audience that isn't necessarily a web streamer but wants to be able to access content quickly and on the go. Again, with the 8000, with a single hit of a button, you can tweet your content directly to that customer. So again, taking a lot of the headaches and a lot of the engineering out of the system, the fact you can just hit that button and broadcast straight to that audience is incredibly important for us. Like I said, we also have our 3-play systems as well. So we have our instant replay and slow-mo systems. We're showing that here as well at BVE. Again, best of class that we have 4-channel in, 2-channel out, or 8-channel in, 2-channel out as well. So again, really focusing not just on traditional broadcast applications, but any type of live video production. The fact that we also have a complete workflow for sports integration as well. So we now have a live vision and switching system. We can broadcast that to a web audience or traditional broadcast truck. But now we can also now roll in multiple channels of instant replay and slow-mo. And again, we can do it for a much lower cost compared to some of the other systems out there. So yeah, please visit our website, www.newtek.com, or indeed visit us at the show, stand E25, and thank you for watching.